Welcome. In today's quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to disable autoplay videos in Telegram groups on your PC using the latest update. If you're tired of videos automatically playing and distracting you while browsing group chats, this setting will help you take back control and also save data and system resources. Let's get started. First, open your Telegram desktop app on your computer. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all your settings. Once you're inside Telegram, look at the top left corner of the screen. You'll see 3 horizontal lines. Click on those to open the main menu. From the menu that appears, go ahead and click on Settings. This is where you can customize how Telegram behaves according to your preferences. Inside Settings, scroll down a bit until you find the Advanced option, then click on it. This section contains more detailed controls for your app experience. Now, under Advanced Settings, look for the section labeled In Groups. Click on it to manage how media behaves specifically in group chats. Here, you'll find different autoplay options. Locate the videos option and simply disable it. This will stop videos from automatically playing whenever you open a group chat. After turning it off, don't forget to click Save to apply your changes. And that's it. From now on, videos in your Telegram groups will only play when you choose to watch them, giving you a smoother and less distracting experience.